Hello children, we see things only when light coming from them enters our eyes. Our eye is the most important optical instrument gifted to us by the God. Without eye, all other optical instruments would have no value at all. Today, let's discuss about the structure of human eye. The main parts of the human eye are cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, eyelens, retina, and optic nerve. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape, having a diameter of about 2.5 cm. The outer coat of the eye is white. It is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from accidents. Its transparent front part is called cornea. The light coming from objects enters the eye through cornea. Just behind the cornea is the iris. It is a color diaphragm. The iris is that part of the eye which gives it its distinctive color. That is, if the color of the iris is green, we can say that the person has green eyes. If the color of the iris is blue, we can say that the person is having blue eyes. And if the color of the iris is brown, we can say that the person has brown eyes. In the iris, there is a small opening called the pupil. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. That is, the iris controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Behind the pupil of the eye is a convex lens which is made up of a transparent, soft and flexible material like a jelly made of proteins. Being flexible, the eye lens can change its shape to focus light onto the retina. How the eye lens focus light onto the retina? Ciliary muscles change the thickness of eye lens while focusing light onto the retina. Then, what is retina? The screen on which the image is formed in the eye is called retina. The retina is behind the eye lens and at the back part of the eye. The retina of an eye is just like the film in a camera. Sensations felt by the nerve cells are then transmitted to the brain through the optic nerve. There are two kinds of cells, the cone cells which are sensitive to bright light and the rod cells which are sensitive to dim light. Rods are most important for vision in dim light. Nocturnal animal like an owl has very large number of rod cells in the retina of its eyes. These help the owl to see properly even in dim light during the night. The cone cells of the retina make us see colors and also make us distinguish between various colors. Cone cells of the retina function only in bright light. This is why when it is getting dark at night, it becomes impossible to see colors of cars on the road. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells. That is, there will be no cone cells and no rod cells. So the light rays falling on that spot will not be detected and so no vision is possible at that spot. This is called the blind spot. The impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists there for about 1/16th of a second. This is called persistence of vision. So, if still images of a moving object are flashed on the eye at a rate faster than 16 per second, then the eye perceives this object as moving. The movies that we see are actually a number of separate pictures in proper sequence. They are made to move across the eye, usually at the rate of 24 pictures per second.